Hello, welcome to CD TechSoft YouTube video series. Today we are going to talk about AWS Cloud Practitioner Certification questions and answer. What is AWS Glacier, and when is it typically used? AWS Glacier is a low-cost storage service designed for archiving data. It is used for data that is infrequently accessed, and retrieval times are longer compared to standard storage classes. How can you ensure high availability for applications in AWS? Achieving high availability involves distributing resources across multiple availability zones, using services like Amazon Route 53 for DNS routing, and implementing load balancing for even distribution of traffic. Explain the significance of AWS Well-Architected Framework. The AWS Well-Architected Framework provides best practices for designing and operating reliable, secure, efficient, and cost-effective systems in the cloud. It is a guide to help users make informed decisions about their architectures. What is AWS Cloud Trail, and how does it contribute to security? AWS Cloud Trail is a service that logs and monitors API activity in an AWS account. It provides a history of changes and allows for tracking user activity, aiding in security analysis and compliance auditing. How can organizations implement disaster recovery in AWS? Disaster recovery in AWS involves replicating critical workloads across multiple regions, implementing automated backups, and using services like AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery for continuous replication and quick recovery. What is the AWS Shared Responsibility Model, and how does it apply to security? The AWS Shared Responsibility Model outlines the division of security responsibilities between AWS and customers. AWS is responsible for the security of the cloud infrastructure, including the hardware, software, networking, and facilities. Customers are responsible for securing their data, access management, encryption, and compliance with regulations. How does AWS auto-scaling contribute to application resilience and cost efficiency? AWS auto-scaling automatically adjusts the number of EC2 instances in a fleet based on demand, maintaining performance and minimizing costs. It enhances application resilience by dynamically responding to changes in traffic, ensuring optimal resource utilization and efficient scaling. Explain the purpose of Amazon Route S3 in AWS and its key features. Amazon Route S3 is a scalable and highly available domain name system web service. It routes end-user requests to endpoints globally and provides features such as domain registration, health checking, and traffic routing, making it an essential service for managing domain names and directing traffic. What are AWS Simple Notification Service and Simple Queue Service, and how are they commonly used together? AWS SNS is a fully managed messaging service that enables the publishing and subscription to topics, while SQS provides a fully managed message queuing service. They are commonly used together to decouple the components of an application, allowing for more flexibility and scalability. What is AWS Key Management Service, and why is it important for data security in AWS? AWS KMS is a fully managed service that enables the creation and control of encryption keys used to encrypt data. It is crucial for data security as it allows users to manage cryptographic keys securely, providing an additional layer of protection for sensitive information. How does AWS Elastic Load Balancing contribute to application availability and fault tolerance? AWS Elastic Load Balancing distributes incoming application traffic across multiple targets, such as EC2 instances, enhancing availability and fault tolerance. It automatically scales resources and directs traffic away from unhealthy instances, ensuring a reliable and fault-tolerant application. What is Amazon Aurora, and how does it differ from traditional relational database systems? Amazon Aurora is a fully managed relational database engine compatible with MySQL and PostgreSQL. It offers higher performance and availability than traditional relational databases due to its distributed and fault-tolerant architecture. How does AWS CloudWatch help in monitoring and managing resources in AWS? AWS CloudWatch provides monitoring and management for AWS resources by collecting and tracking metrics, logs, and events. It allows users to gain insights into the performance and health of resources, set alarms for threshold breaches, and automate actions based on predefined rules. What is AWS Direct Connect, and how does it facilitate a dedicated network connection to AWS? AWS Direct Connect is a network service that provides dedicated and private connectivity between on-premises data centers and AWS. It allows organizations to establish a direct and high-bandwidth connection, bypassing the public internet for improved security, reliability, and lower latency. Explain the concept of AWS organizations and how it helps in managing multiple AWS accounts. AWS Organizations is a service that allows the management of multiple AWS accounts within an organization. It helps in centralizing billing, controlling access using consolidated policies, and simplifying the management of resources across different accounts, improving overall governance and security. Thank you for watching this video. We provide hands-on training with labs, homework, group projects. Prepare you for the certification. Provide real projects. Internship opportunities. Support you in Resume LinkedIn. Staffing support. Provide tech references. In-person online class. Class retake options and more. Call us at 884-948-1968 for your free career consultation meeting. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest videos.